It's the big installation with the small triangles and the kind of like a tent-like structure. And she was explaining it as a kind of elaboration of the idea of having inside roads. And that's the Scandinavian invention. And so they're going to export this idea to the architecture in Arab countries. Then somehow also glorifying that in Denmark we are experts in using the public spaces, and now we are in Copenhagen trying to bring everything to the public spaces, the sports, the social life between neighbors, the
but it's the
spontaneity.
Yeah,
and
great
then, I was
it's
just
opposite,
listening. Wow, amazing! I mean, I hear her, and I hear what she's saying, that there is, and I agree that there is a tendency of pushing this kind of hipster lifestyle in Westerbo, and everybody should be outside and all that, but it's forced. We know that because, I don't know, 5 years ago it has not been like that. And I just came home from a trip to Bosnia, to Sarajevo, which is a very Islamically built town. It has the streets and has the public space, and actually the idea of the public space, it's so old. And all the streets from all the town that is in a kind of mountain-like area are ending in a square, ending in a center where people have been exchanging, buying, selling, drinking coffee. And the coffee culture is the most developed in Europe for me, as I know. But somehow
coffee comes from the word qahwe, which is Arabic word.
And the whole idea of
coffee, yes.
And the whole idea of the social life around coffee. It's not about coffee. It's about the exchanging, the news, and it's like kind of a platform for like the internet platform we have today. But and this is very old idea. So somehow I was a little bit provoked when she said that the actually idea of the public space and the people in the public space is coming from Scandinavia, and I couldn't see any proof to it.
Because if you go to Spain,
and
any southern countries, and Lebanon, and I don't know, even Iran and so on, Turkey, you always have a square. You have a tree in the middle, or water or something, and people always use the public spaces as the space to meet and to converse, and
without the small triangles. The curtain.
And it's so false to bring that to Denmark. I know they are trying to do, but you don't have the weather for it.
No.
Then why don't they have umbrellas all over Denmark, I wonder? Have you realized that when you get the train, this is brand new, the train to the concert house, which is brand new, if you go there during any other season, you have a nice dress on, you want to go to a nice concert, you want a nice dress on, but you have to walk outside in rain, snow, whatever, for 150 meters in order to go to it. First of all, they never thought maybe they should connect either underground or, excuse me, bloody put some umbrellas. They can go to Saudi Arabia and put shades, but they cannot find it to put umbrellas here in their own city.